Welcome, welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. And guys, we're gonna be working on the inserts for this particular vehicle, for these door panels. We already have the front, we are working in the back for the seats. But we're gonna be changing these inserts. We're gonna be grabbing this and that console over there. We already have the front seats done, and we're gonna be using the Outlaw material. Actually, I have just one done right here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I don't wanna lose the opportunity to show you how it's done, guys. This one is already done right there. This is the material, this is the Outlaw, this is the selection that the client did. And this is an easy removal, guys. All you have to do is pry from this corner of the panel, quick, and it will release all the clips right here. You have to unplug this one, you have to grab it from the sides right here so you can pull it out. And you have a cover right here, which is this one. You just pull it out, quick. That's it. You have to remove the piece right here in this one, quick. Actually goes like this, quick. And then you have that one, guys. You pull these ones out and then release them out, quick. And that will be to get the panel off. And this is what you're gonna have, guys. The panel is here, and it has some of this horrible gummy thing is getting off this section right here, which is horrible, guys. Don't touch it. This gum right here, which is the sealer for the door, is really sticky, and you don't want to deal with it. Don't touch it. Okay, guys, we're gonna proceed to remove the weather strip. It's very simple. So I'm gonna show you here. We just wanna get our spatula here. Oh my gosh, let's see if this one works better. See, and you just spray out and it's gonna start to release. You're gonna do the whole thing, guys. I'm working with one hand. Let me see how can I set up this camera so you can see the process. We're gonna have all this and we're gonna pry it out. This is very simple. Once you have this one, be sure that it's straight like that. And we're gonna flatten all these things, making a straight 90 degrees, all the little legs, so we can reinstall it back. Very simple process. By now probably some of you already removed these things, so just remember to get it in 90 degrees angle. This is just for the reinstallation, guys. Now this is installation, very important that you put it back on. I'm gonna demonstrate later on how I do it. For now, let's get it off. And it's out. Now, guys, there is a little screw right here. We have to get this one is off already. It's a piece of foam right here. And we're gonna get that's a Torx right there. It's a Torx 20, I believe. So we get this one off. There is many ways to remove this insert, guys. Basically, it's welded, it's hot welded. So to me, I like my leather knife. It's very sharp. I just hammer it slightly, and I will cut the weldings. That's one way to do it. Again, guys, you can choose any other method to do this. I like this way because it's clean, it doesn't make a lot of mess. I have special tools that it drills, but they're a little too, it creates a lot of mess. So I like this technique because, like I say, it's a clean removal. Okay guys, after that we're gonna use our clip remover. We're gonna start to pry it out. You may have a slightly different version of this panel, but the idea, the whole process is more or less the same. And there you have it guys. Yeah, this is your insert. That's as easy as that to get it off. Like I say, this is a clean way to do it because otherwise it will get a mess all over the place. You don't have to do that. It's clean. The next thing guys is to remove the cup so we can insert the new one. I'm gonna clean the holes as much as possible if there is any debris. In this case there is not a single debris. All the holes are clean, so I don't have to worry about anything. So these panels guys, they're so simple to clean. So let me get this main panel off. Let me assure that you have good visuals for this. And all we have to start to do is lift up the staples. I have a client Steven. He sent me a different panels. Let me show you. Actually, we're shooting this video especially for him, so he can see. He already removed his. Seems like he struggled with something. I don't know what kind of tool he uses. I create my own tools for this. This is